guys, how are you? It is Jean Watts. Welcome back to my channel. I very last minute decided I'm gonna film this. I'm about to do my nails and I get a lot of people that ask me questions on like what nail polish I'm wearing or how I do my own nails. So I'm going to show you how I do this. And I also like doing my own nails because I don't love going to the nail salon. I love staying home as much as I can. I'll link everything that I use. I got everything on Amazon as always. Little tip that I've been starting to do, I did like every day last week and I'm gonna do probably for the rest of my life. It's like I woke up and before I have my coffee, because sometimes I'll wake up and my nervous system's like kind of thrown off. I don't know, I'll get like kind of stressed out. I used to just like wake up, drink coffee, and it almost like inks up my anxiety a bit. But now, every morning when I get up, I take I have a thing of apple cider vinegar that I just take a big gulp with. And then I take hot water and I put it in my cup and I put it in the microwave to heat it up for like 2 minutes. And while it's doing that, I take ginger and I like cut the skin off of it. I kind of like dice it up. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. Like these are kind of chunky. And so then the water's hot, I put my ginger in there, and then I take a half a lemon of organic lemon and squeeze that in there. And then I have Celtic salt because I've been like getting into like more healthcare and like feeling better. Celtic salt is the salt we're supposed to use. You know, I'll link all this stuff too because I got the Celtic salt on Amazon. Yeah, that's all I got on Amazon. Oh, I got the apple cider vinegar too. I'll link that. I saw this video online of this holistic doctor talking about how, you know, when you drink a lot of water, you have to go to the bathroom a lot. I'll feel like super fatigued when I drink too much water because I feel like my nutrients are getting like just cleansed out of me. And it's because we need sodium if we're gonna drink a lot of water. And I've been trying to also drink a lot of water. I got my coffee here. And I got my ginger lemon. But anyways, I take a little bit of this Celtic salt and I just kind of lick it. And then I drink my 2 cups of this in the morning and then I go to my coffee and I've been feeling way more like less anxiety, stomach better. So little tip that I was not planning on explaining. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how I do my nails at home. First for the vibe, I got this new candle that I'm obsessed with. You always wanna get something that has soy because anything else can be a little toxic. Scent, and I think it's so nice for spring. Now I got my paper towel that you want to get, and then in my little box here I have my LED light. You're gonna want a nail polish remover. Got my filer. My sister, because I got her a nail kit for her house too, she got me these two, which is a nail dehydrator and a nail primer that I'll put on my nails. I'll show you guys before I put on my nail polish. And then you're gonna want your base gel, your top gel, and then whatever color you're gonna do. And I'm gonna show you guys I don't know, I'm gonna do this color again. I absolutely love this color and I'll show you why. But yeah, I believe, oh, and I got this brush set for your nails. First thing we're gonna do, we're going to take our nails and we're gonna file them. I'm just gonna clean these up. Like this one kind of broke a little bit. I don't know if you can see. Broke a little bit, so I'm gonna level it all out. I like to go on the sides here, like that. My nails are a little yellowish because of the self-tanner. And I'll put on, so I did so far. Let me do the rest. Okay, so I went through and I did all my nails, kind of made them, you know, flat, did them on the side. Now I'm going to take my nail filer and I'm not gonna do a lot because my nails are very thin, but I'm gonna kind of like buff out because because for the longest time I would like not want to do this part. And when it's super smooth on top, it's really easy for like the nail polish to lift off. So when you kind of lift your real nail and make it kind of rugged, it lets the nail polish grab onto your nail more so it lasts longer. And again, I tried fighting this step, but it will not stay as well. But I also don't do it too much. So I'll just, you know, do it like that. Nothing too crazy. If you got thicker nails, you can probably go on in and do that, but I'm just doing it like a little bit. Get the edges, help it from lifting. I like to do a lot of things with my hands, so my nail polish, like, it's a struggle to keep them on. Okay, so these are my nails looking right now. So I'm going to take my nail polish remover. I forgot to mention this earlier, but there is a cotton swab here also. You can use, you know, paper towel, some nail polish remover here, and I'm going to clean off all of the dust from your nails. And this also, which is even more important, this really cleans off any oils, any dirt, so it makes it very clean and dry. You want your nails to be super clean and dry. All right, now the first step out of the nail polishes is we're gonna use this nail prep dehydrator. Because again, we want our nails to be bone dry. And it doesn't have to be perfect because it's just a dehydrator, but I just did it to both of my hands, and you don't have to wait for it to dry because it's just like immediate. Now I'm gonna do the nail primer. I'm gonna do a thin coat of a primer here, here. I'm going to wait around like 30 seconds before I start with the base. Now that the primer is dry, I'm gonna go in with the base. I'm just gonna do, there's a lot on that one, so. And then I always like to go on the top and, I don't know, seal the top a little bit. Okay, I got the base on there, but now I'm gonna take my nail polish remover. I'm gonna take my brush. I'm gonna dip it into the nail polish remover. And I'm gonna start cleaning up the edges. And I just wipe the excess on here. So hard to show you guys how I do this. Ooh. Sometimes like I'll put my hand on here and do this if it's helpful. So now that I cleaned it up, I'm gonna put this under here and I'm gonna do the 80 seconds. Now, a lot of people have different feelings that the UV light, you know, damage your skin. There are gloves that maybe I'll find and link them. There's gloves that are meant for this that you can wear over. I don't. I'm just gonna wait for these to dry. These are dry. Now we're gonna do the color. So I love this color because I used to love white nail polish. Not that I don't anymore, but this is like a very pearly, soft, it's gorgeous, gorgeous color. And you're gonna see why. So I like to do the top first. There's a lot on here. And then work my way down a bit. And I do this all the time, so I've gotten way better than when I started. Oh my gosh, it was real bad when I started. But like anything, practice makes perfect. So if it's hard for you in the beginning, just keep doing it, and eventually you're gonna get better. So the one thing about this nail polish too is it has shimmer in it, so you can see the direction of where the nail polish is, like streaks in a way, focus. I don't know if you can tell. So I like to really go in and make sure that the nail polish is going straight up from the base all the way up. Do the next one. Start at the top. I can actually use a little more. Like so. I'm gonna do another coat. But so far just one coat looks so good. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest of my nails. Ah, shit. Okay, I just spilled my nail polish remover. That's fantastic. but we're good. Anyways, we're gonna go back in with my brush, put some nail polish remover on there and see like, I need to clean this up right here. Boom. Clean. I'm gonna go around. I did pretty good on this hand since I'm right-handed. All right, so now that I kind of cleaned it up the way I like it, I'm gonna bake it. And I like to do, my sister gave me this tip because mine, when I started doing my nails, they would come off so fast and hers would last like over a week. Yeah, one of the things that she would do is when she gets to the color part, she does this round twice. So it's a little longer, but I've been doing that too, and now I like it. I'm gonna do one more coat, and I'm gonna do 2 rounds on the last coat. And then I'm gonna do the top coat. I think that's what I'm gonna do. The thing about white nail polish, it dries faster. Clear white will dry a lot faster. When I would paint my nails black or any dark color, it takes a lot longer for it to dry. Like you have to do a lot, like thinner coats, maybe like 3 instead of 2. So, but with white, it dries pretty well. So I'm gonna do this round with just the 80 seconds, and then again, when I do my second coat, I'm gonna do 2 rounds of life. All right, round 2. Okay, did this one going in with my nail polish remover. We are going to clean this up. Boom. All right, now I'm gonna put this under the light for 1 round of the 80 seconds, and then I'm gonna do it again. All right, last step, the top coat. I'm like running out of this stuff, but this I'm a little, I love this because, and I love the gel nails because again, my nails are naturally thinner and all of this nail polish is hard coats. Keeps my nails strong, so I'm able to grow them longer. And if I like allow them, if I like take them off and then my nails are natural and bare, and I let them bare for a couple days, they'll start breaking. But if I like take them off and quickly repolish them, they can grow so long. So if you have thinner nails like I do, I absolutely love gel and nail polish. I'm gonna clean this up immediately. Because I feel like it. Done. I'm gonna do 1 round. I think I can do 1 round on this and I'll be fine. And that's it for this hand. Everything is dry. And any like little excess got on the skin will come off like in the shower. I am going to do my other hand now. These are all like cleaned up. These are the final look. I am obsessed with these. I just love the color. I love how pretty, I love how soft. They're elegant. They kind of go with everything that I wear, so I will link this color and everything below.
And then my baby. And then there's a baby. Look, say hi.
And that is it with my nail tutorial. Hopefully you guys have learned something. And if you guys try this, let me know. I'm about to make some food, blow dry my hair, and get ready for the day. All right, thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. Do your inner work, and I will see you guys next time.